The sun is out, the sky is blue. The ducklings have a game for you. Waddle, wiggle, come along. It's time to splash and sing a song. Splash with the ducklings, jump and play. Paddle in the pond all day. Quack, quack, giggle and spin. Let the splashy fun begin. One is yellow, one is brown. One keeps swimming upside down. They flap their wings and shake their tails and ride the ripples like little sails. Splash with the ducklings, jump and play. Paddle in the pond all day. Quack, quack, giggle and spin. Let the splashy fun begin. Count the bubbles, 1, 2, 3. Ducklings laughing happily. Find a fish, then touch your toes. Wiggle your beak and boop your nose.
Now float slow, side to side, like ducklings in a gentle tide.
Then stomp your feet and splash real loud. Make a fountain, big and proud. Splash with the ducklings, jump and play. Fun and friends are here to stay. Quack, quack, wave goodbye. See you again, oh me, oh my.